If you feel like there are so much knowledge here inside your mind, and but still there is some kind of emptiness, some kind of vacuum is created, why it's happening, keep watching this video till end so that I can explain you the strategies, not the only knowledge or the information, because information already you have over the internet, on blogs, books, everywhere there is a knowledge. But the thing is, strategies is which we are missing. It's too much of information is killing our creativity. You know that this is a fact. Like, if you have too much of knowledge of how to cook, and what happens, you land up of doing nothing. So there is a saying, if you are too cautious of doing anything, you land up of doing nothing. Just try to walk with so much caution. Be very very much cautious when you are just walking. You will fall down. It's why, because you are so much taking care of each and every step. Sometimes we have to be ignorant of some knowledge, and sometimes we don't have to. So everything is in excess is a poison. We need to keep it in our mind so that we can give our best. Instead of doing 100%, we need to focus our mind for 1% improvement. 1%, don't ignore the power of 1%. I have implemented in my life earlier what I was and now what I am. I can see the big difference in my life by just improving 1% daily and taking some kind of action which are imperfect in nature. Like, suppose I wanted to do some, like this video I just wanted to create, or some pending projects I want to do. So this mind is creating so many imagination, so many perfect plans which is impossible to create, which is like, you have to be perfect in the plan, then you have to go. Taking risk is good, but you have heard about it that calculated risk is always the best. So this video is all about, if you have lot of information you are gathering from the courses, you are gathering from the blogs, from the videos, everywhere, if you are gathering and you are not getting the results, where you are missing is, your mind will tell you, I have so much knowledge, Shivam, but why the results are not coming? There is a practical solutions also available in your mind, but try to understand. 80% or 80 to 85% is your mindset, your attitude towards the things, and 15% role is only the skills you have or the talents you have. True, right? Maybe you have heard all those things. So what happens, our mind having billions of neurons our mind have, and trillions of cells, billion and trillion. I think there is I will put the exponential figure over here, somewhere here, so you can understand billion cells and trillion cells, what is the difference. So when billion cells coordinate the body, it starts working. It's like, we know the things, we know how to run particular business or particular task, how to do it, but we are not able to do it because our trillion cells are saying, oh man, I don't want to do the work, I'm lazy. That cells are programmed like that. Are you getting where is the problem? The problem is the cells. Your mind got the knowledge, you got the information, but your cells inside the trillion cells are not coordinating with the billion neurons. So there will be a coordination. And how the coordination will be developed? Coordination is developed by practicing. You need to do a practice continuously by daily doing the 1% improvement with the power of tolerance. Just endure it, because when you go into the pleasure mode, if you get some benefit from a little effort you have put, and you get some like good results, you start like, eureka moment, like this is what I have achieved. But the thing is, the reality is, you don't have to go for the pleasure. When you go for the pleasure, it doesn't last for long. It's temporary, it's totally temporary. And loss, failure is also temporary. Failure is also a temporary. And if you have a lot of failures in your past, then deal your failures with the power of time. Time heals everything. Time heals everything. So give time, have patience, keep doing, and you will find your trillion cells got programmed. Don't go into pain and pleasure, and keep doing it. So you got the lot of information from the YouTube, the courses, how to implement, how to become something, whichever whatever the goal you have set. So this something which I have created for you is so that your billions of neurons get connected. I have created one special Excel sheet for you. Now you got the problem, right? So you need to do you write to-do list? Do you write to-do list while doing your daily work, like 1 2 3 4 5, like that? But your mind will not see in which area I am progressing and which area I am lacking. So I'm creating a Excel sheet for you, which will directly tell you your relationship tasks which you do daily. How is the progress? You can track for your monthly progress, so it will show you in a graph. So while writing, you can able to see how it's going down or up. You can see the money is now or money is coming into the future. Actually, this graph I have learned from the Dan Lok. He is a great motivational speaker, I can say that. And there are many people like Brent Tracy, Bob Proctor, and Tony Robbins. Stephen James is one of my youngest mentor, I can say, and I have learned a lot of things from him, which I'm going to share a lot of videos for sure in upcoming days for you. So if you want me to explain those sheet, how you can implement those strategies, because see, we all having the information, but you need a step-by-step information, step-by-step guidance, step-by-step strategies to complete that thing. Suppose I wanted to go from one place to that place, and I know by taking a cycle I can reach in 1 hour. By taking a bike, I can reach in 20 minutes. By taking a bus, I can reach in 30 minutes. So all those things, how to plan, time, and everything, your mind will see the big picture. When your mind see a big picture, so where focus goes, energy flows, and those type of qualities, virtues come inside you and pull that cells, pull that body's energy, and your mind gets sync in one direction, and you can achieve that goal faster. You got the point. Also, there is a guy called Jim Quick. He has shared one beautiful knowledge techniques. Just do the technique, just trick your mind, just cheat your mind, because mind is keep on chattering every time. So don't listen and don't believe everything what your mind is thinking. Just try to put the intelligence, which we in Hindi we called is buddhi. So try to push the mind for a time, and put the intellect in front that this is right for me. Smoking is not right for me, so I will not smoke. So your mind will say this and that. No, this is okay. The craving will come, okay. Emotions will come, because emotion is energy is going into emotion. So you feel so much tightness, so much overwhelming emotions will coming. You feel so good, your mind will tell you, trying to convince you in all the possible ways, but no means no other thought. So a little pain for time being will give you a lot of pleasure, lot of happiness in a long term. So you just rewire your mind, reprogram your mind. Then after sometimes 30 days or 40 days or 90 days, your mind will start telling you, no, 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 don't do this, don't smoke, don't do this, don't do these activities, don't be too much, spend too much time on your mobile, don't do the lot of things are there. So the mind will start telling you, so you need to do some little bit investment here, not this. Even if there are programs, if you like, you can enroll them and invest in your mind, so that your mind will help you later on stage. Invest in some good books which you can read, so that your mind will get reprogrammed. The best time to read is just early morning, and going to the bed, because that time your mind is in alpha stage. Alpha stage is to, don't be so much technical that this and that, just try to understand. Our mind is having a 60 to 70,000 thoughts. 60 to 70,000 thoughts. Can you believe it? 60 to 70,000 thoughts. Is it possible to stop? No. So in alpha stage, what you do is you just focus your mind on breath or some anchor is something like which you can, when you got distracted, you can, that like a pole star. So you will not get distracted and you will be in the right direction. So that's why a particular anchor is needed. So in this scenario, we use the anchor as a breath. So to come at one position, to be in this moment, to be at this present moment, and to feel this moment, to be grateful for this moment, to feel the love for this moment by enjoying this moment. So this is what I wanted to conclude this video. Once you are at the anchor, so your mind get your thoughts get reduced 60 to 40 or something like that, around 30 to 40. And when it got reduced, your mind will come into an alpha stage. So whatever you speak, your mind will not filter, and that affirmation will go directly inside. It will not set the logic. The best example is in the dreams. When you are dreaming, or when you are just sleeping, you remove all the I's from you, like I am a doctor, I'm an entrepreneur, or I'm a lawyer. So those type of tags will get, these are some tags which you gave to yourself. The truth is, you are just you're an observer. You are observing your thoughts. You are not your thoughts, you are not even your mind. So once you got the reality of this type of thing, that you are the creator of those thoughts. So you how you can be that thought is telling you this, but you are the creator. How creator can be a thought? So when you got the reality of something like that, so you can create a new thought. So that story will form, and the new reality will be get created. So I think you got the understand how you have to go into alpha stage and to create those thoughts, and gradually the things will get improved. And once you fill, and you just fill that to-do list daily, you will get an good what I can say, you will get a good results in your life. And if you want, then go in the description or somewhere here, I will put the link in my website, so you can get exactly my cheat sheet, or some of my videos which I have created and personally I am doing in the past. So just go and download the ebook. So if you found this video, then please dislike it. You have heard this first time. If you found this video not worthy, please dislike it, so that I can improve myself. This channel is I created is just for my self improvement. And I'm putting, it's like a glass. It's a glass. I'm putting the water inside it. Water inside means I'm improving myself, and that water start overflowing and pouring outside, then it will go to my family, to my friends, to the loved ones, to you who are watching, the wonderful people like you. So my goal is to first improve, start the watering in this. So keep dislike, so that I can improve my thing what I am doing wrong. And please like also, and put into the comment what is the best thing you like about the whole video, so that I can provide more value. If you want, me to explain the whole the to-do list, like how to write your daily tasks, the relationship, your social media management, or how to do this particular money which is coming now, which is active income or the passive income. So all three goals of your life, like your mental health, your physical health, your relationship, bringing the harmony or oneness in your relationship, and the third one is your financial improvement. So this is what my video. Keep subscribe if you like this video, and see you in my next upcoming videos. Thank you for giving you valuable time.